Hello everyone, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about modal verbs of deduction, present. Okay, we'll focus on modal verbs of deduction for the present time. Modal verbs of deduction are used to state how sure the speaker is about something using the available information. So this is about how sure the speaker is about something using the available information. The modal verb we choose shows how certain we are about the possibility. Okay, so look at the example. This must be John's house. I can see his car in the garage. So here we have must, the modal verb must, and this must be John's house. I can see his car in the garage. So the speaker here is sure that this car is John's, and then this house belongs to John. Okay, like that. Okay, now let's look at the modal verb. The first modal is must. Must is used when we feel sure that something is true because there is very strong evidence. If we want to use must in our sentence, we are sure that something is true. For example, he has a Ferrari. He must have much money. Okay, we are sure this man has much money because he has a Ferrari. A Ferrari is so expensive. His daughter is at university, so he must be at least 40. Okay, we are sure he is at least 40. The evidence is his daughter. Okay, next example. They have studied all day. They must be tired. Yes, we can see from the picture. The students are tired because they have studied all day. So we can use they must be tired because we are sure they are tired. Okay, let's go to the second can't. Okay, this is the second one. Can't is used when we feel sure that something is not possible. So this is the opposite of the first one. Okay, it can't be easy for her looking after 3 kids on her own. Okay, we can see the picture. The woman has 3 kids and it's not easy for her. So we can say it can't be easy because we are sure she finds it difficult to take care of the 3 kids. And then he can't be abroad now. I just talked to him at school this morning. Yeah, we are sure that he's not abroad because we just talked with him. Because I just talked to him at the school this morning. So I'm sure he's not abroad. Okay, next example. They can't be Japanese. They are speaking Chinese. Okay. So we are sure that these people are not Japanese. Yeah, they may be Chinese because they are speaking Chinese. But the point is, they are not Japanese. So we can use they can't be Japanese. Okay, the third. May, might, and could. Might, may, and could are used to say that we think something is possible, but we're not sure. So this is possible, but we're not sure. Okay? Ibra is very tall. He might be good at basketball. Okay, we assume Ibra is good at basketball because he's tall, so we can use he might be good at basketball. He's not answering. He could be sleeping. Yes. If we phone someone and then he's not answering, yeah, we assume he could be sleeping or he could be doing something else. Okay. They may win the match. They're quite good. Yes. These are football players. So we can say they may win the match because we know they are good. We are not that sure, but yes, it could be possible. It could happen. So we can use might, may, and could. Okay, now let's try this quiz. He blanks be a vegetarian. So the answer The correct model is, yes, exactly. He can't be a vegetarian because he's eating hamburger. What about the second example? You studied all night. You blank be exhausted. Okay, so the answer is, the correct model is, yes, you must be exhausted because you studied all night. 2 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, so this is incorrect, right? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So we can answer that can be right. Yes, absolutely, that can be right. Okay, next. C blank love her cat. Yeah, from the picture we can see, and it must be must. She must love her cat. Okay, next, what do you think? They blank be welcoming somebody to their company. Are you sure they are welcoming somebody? Or maybe they're giving someone a big hand. We don't know, right? So we can say they may be welcoming somebody to their company. Okay. And then the last example. Okay. We can see that the man is sad, the man is upset. So he must be stressed out. His boss fired him. Okay, we can see from the picture. So we can use must because we are sure and we have evidence from the picture. Okay? All right, that's all for the modal verbs of deduction. Yes, here are some reference you can learn in depth about modal deduction. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.